Hello everybody, Michael Allen here. I wanted to give you guys the final update on the Grow Room, the Mushroom Cultivation Do-It-Yourself Lab. First things first, I built all the walls with 1x3 furring strips with a header and footer all the way around. I laid black plastic all along the walls. I have linoleum floor, it's all one piece. As you walk in, it's an 4-inch step up, and then as you can see, the plastic goes all the way around. It's nailed top and bottom. I put a fluorescent light in up here for that side of my room in front of my flow hood. I got my chair, very comfortable. My flow hood, I made this nice carbon fiber desk here, this top. It's got epoxy on it, so I might do another coat, I'm not sure. But anyways, I got my flow hood just sitting here now. It's all put back together, works perfect. I got it all set up. It's 2x4. It's homemade, so it's got the big thick 12-inch filter and the big box. You know, it's a big thing, but I got all this space on top now. I can put stuff. I got my mural up there that I bought. Right here next to the flow hood, I got my little station that I keep all my stuff, my drawers and stuff. I had changed things around on my flow hood. All the fan is under there. That bucket has a bunch of holes and it's got a pre-filter wrapped around it. The speed is absolutely perfect right now. I don't have it running right now, and it's only reading like 2 microns of dirt in the air in this room, so that's pretty good. So I got my filing cabinet with my little, I'm going to be still using a torch, but I use this little nail clipper holder thing that I saw on AliExpress. So I guess a few people have it. Grand has one, a couple others. And it gets up to like 200 and something degrees. I don't know. It's not like as hot as a torch, but I think it's going to be perfect for putting my scalpels in between sterilization, so I don't have to just leave them sitting out in the open. I can leave them in there and they'll stay sterile. So I got my sit-up station, my stir plate back there. Next to that I got my computer on the little desk I got that I put in here. Now my old tent had this gray table with the hood, this thing, on it, sticking out the back of the tent. Now I have a little work area right here with a chair. I got my TV right there for YouTube videos and stuff. I can play through the TV. And then I'm going to change it around a little bit eventually with some more shelving in the corner back there, because I got all this shelving here, which is going to be storing. These are all my recently mixed spawn to bulk bag grows. I got about 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 down there. And then these are getting ready to fruit. And I got about 15 or so there. And then I got my bags of spawn. I just shook a lot of it. So it's all still recovering. But it's all looking very nice. And then I got, these are my just inoculated jars. These were just done on the 17th with some cultures from Fungus Frequency. He sent me 8 different things in the little giveaway he did. I have, I didn't send that one, but Natal Moon, Moon Dance, MMPE, Man from Heaven PE, Yeti, AIPE, a bunch. This here is a bag of spawn that I did a spawn to bulk in this just to see if I could save a little jar into a big jar. And then up there I keep all my grain jars. They're all inoculated. Everything was kind of standing still during the move and in and out of this room, so I gave everything a good break and shake about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. And then the next shelf over here, I got my LCs, my sterilized grain ready to be inoculated. I got all kinds of plates and stuff in there. Here I got a few of my little grows. This one here is a dub tub. It's got some pins going in there. They're looking good. Hello, Mr. Pins. I just gave these all a nice spray. This one here is the PE I did a week or so ago. I can't really... It's turning white. I gotta tilt it up. There we go. Boom, pretty. I want to get inside of it. And then these I just did in the past couple days. And then I got my tub of CBG here. I got more boxes and totes I can use. But I mean, I got another staging area here I can use to stage stuff or take it down and give it a spray if it's a little dry. Like I said, it's complete. It's a 4-inch lift off the ground, so I don't have to worry about moisture anymore in the room from the cellar. But it's a lot better. I got everything up there starting to get cleaned up and sorted. I don't know if anybody remembers, but that's the where I had everything stored for a while. That's my dog washing tub. We bought a tub for the dog and we put it down here. But I'm still organizing the outside a little bit. I gotta finish cleaning up that section. This is where everything got stored in between. Most of the stuff's gonna go back to the dump, except for my flow hood over there. I'm gonna have a second station on the outside of the room, just for if I have to do any big grain stuff. I'll have that other flow hood I made in there, and I got a bunch of other plates and stuff I gotta move back in here. But the room is complete, except for I want to hang a couple more of those long lights like that, one in the back going across and then one in front of all my jars, just so I can have extra lighting. But the flow hood works great. I'll turn it on for a second. I hope it's not too loud, but it runs up nice. It's not too loud. It's a lot, you know, it's going to be a little bit noisy, but it's not that bad. It's nice smooth flow. And I can turn it down too. And I got my, right here I got my particle counter. I don't know if it's, give it a second, it'll be at 0. It's at 30, 20, 34, 34, 27, 21, 15, it's going down to 0. 0. Not bad, it's about, 30 seconds and it's down to 0.3 micron particles in the air. And I started working on some plates and stuff. I'm gonna like having storage up here for all my new plates, and I got this stuff I'm working on. I did a hood test right away, so I got this. I'll let this open for a minute right there. Seal it up. We'll see how it goes in a few days. Make sure everything's clean. I went through all my let me shut this off so it's not noisy. I went through all my Petri dishes. I ended up with about a dozen of my new Petri dishes that I had forgotten. I just left them in Ziploc bags. Were contaminated. They're covered with trike, but they're all in one bag, so I could expect that. So if one was bad, they all went bad. But that was all the losses on Petri dishes. All my normal plates are going fine. Grain jars. Let's see, in the past 2 weeks while I've been moving, I've lost 4 jars. But I don't know if that's from the move or if that's just from normal stuff. I mean, I have about 30 jars up there going right now, plus another 9 bags, plus another 30-something grain bags. So losing 3 or 4 jars is, I'm not worried about it. If I really want something, I run 2 of it. Because 2 is 1, 1 is none. So if you're only running 1 of something, you can't like it that much. But yeah, I mean, these are all like almost fully colonized. This here is Venezuelan. It's turning, it's almost fully white. This is wild bird seed, so it's got a little bit of, the color is white, but it looks funny on camera, guys. And then this is avalanche. Again, wild bird seed, so it's almost all colonized. I gotta send these. Spawn's doing good. I got the stormtrooper getting wicked overlay. I don't know why. I think it's an air problem. What I did is after I brought everything in with the flow hood and everything, I took all these bags, I wiped them all down, I opened them up, and I gave them some fresh air, and then put the filter caps back on. Because I run these little filter caps. Instead of filter patch bags, I have these filter caps on them. They're reusable, and they're a lot easier. In case you want to have more or less air, you just take it off. You can always put polyfill in the hole. But I don't like filter patch bags for some reason. I have a couple, but I prefer to use these caps now that I've tried them. I got a filter patch right here. This here is, see if I can not knock everything over here. Oh, lost one. Oh, shit. It's okay. It's fully colonized, so it's still hard as a rock, I think. Let's see, did I break it? Yeah, I broke it. Oh, well. It'll heal. Not worried about it. It'll heal. But like I was saying, this one here is, it's starting to pin, I think. Yeah, we got some pretty good primordial action going on in there. This one here is caramel popcorn, so it's going to be a blob. But this one has a filter patch just because it's what I had. Make sure I don't damage anything. It didn't get a little crack in it, but that's okay. It'll heal. And again, like I really want that one, so I have 2 of them in the same string. And that's about it. Everything's going great. I'm so thrilled that I finally got this done. Gonna have a lot more coming, but I'll be able to put my camera up here on the mount now and still work and have a good, decent, working area in front of the hood, because I got my tripod right there. And eventually I'm gonna have a camera that sits up here like this. I'm gonna have one that sits over there like that, and then I'll have one back here to show me and doing everything on my live on Sunday. Right now I'm running off a webcam. And I'll figure it out. I don't know what the hell's all the noise upstairs. My father must be moving furniture. Or the dog's playing. But anyways, I wanted to give you guys a final update on the mushroom lab. I love it. I'm actually very, very happy that I finally got it finished. And I did it all on my own. And the final cost for the materials and everything was $153.47. That is how much I spent on new materials. That's the wood, the flooring, and cinder blocks. Everything else I sourced from either the plastic I had, all the screws I had, all the plywood on the floor I had. But if I didn't have it, it was $2 a sheet off Craigslist. So that would have, well, $2 for a sheet, that's 43 by 50. So I would have ended up buying 12 sheets. So it would have cost me $25 for the plywood that I put on the floor, because it's 2 layers of 3/8 plywood thick. Or I could have used 3/4, which would have been fine. But the walls are pretty sturdy. I mean, you know, I could add more support if I need to. But yeah, so total cost $153.47. Not bad. And it's about 10 feet wide by 7 feet deep this way. So I got plenty of room. This table can always come out. That table can always come out. This can, any of this can come out, and I could put shelves from this whole wall if I wanted to. So there is possibility for that. I may take that table there out and put it on the outside to have an outside workstation right on that. Right now, I just want to get everything back in here and finish cleaning out the basement because winter's coming, and it sucks going in and outside during the winter. So when I'm done, I'll have this for the winter. Everything's set up. Like I said, I got this flow hood. It's looking beautiful. Everything went back together beautifully. No problems, no issues. There's no leaks, no air leaks. I taped up the front with some nice metallic tape. I used to have wood around the edge, but I like this nice metallic tape a lot better. It seals it a lot nicer. Looks better too. Got 9 tickets left on the FFU raffle. I'm raffling off a fan filter unit that's actually twice as wide as this one. It's 2x4, but it's only about 12-13 inches deep because it's a regular like the regular fan filter units you see. There's 9 or 10 tickets left. They're $25 a piece. I had 40 original tickets. I want to get it done by next Sunday and do the raffle live on my Sunday brunch podcast, or live, whatever you want to call it. That'll be happening hopefully next Sunday, the 29th or so. Maybe, I think that's next Sunday is the 29th. So hopefully we'll be able to sell all the raffle tickets by Sunday. Like I said, there's 9 left. If anybody got one and they want another one, hit me up and we can work it out. And you guys can send me the money for it and we'll get you another raffle ticket. But yeah, hopefully that works out for everybody. And somebody will be getting a FFU delivered to their door in a couple weeks. Well, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for enjoying the journey of the flow of the mushroom build, lab build. I will be doing more and more videos and texts. Anybody have any questions or texts they want to see or learn about, feel free to comment or email me. My email is mikeoallen.mycology@gmail.com. I'm on Instagram at MikeO'Allen. I'm on Facebook at MikeO'Allen. And here on YouTube at MikeO'Allen. Much love, everybody. Thank you so much for your support and love.